Replace blown fuses with the exact labeled amperage to prevent further control board and transformer damage when fixing thermostat miswires. When replacing a thermostat after a miswire, first cut power at the breaker and verify with a non-contact tester. Then document every wire color and terminal label with a photo and written note. Do not assume wire colors match functions. Trace the low voltage transformer leads and measure secondary voltage under load to detect a partially shorted transformer that can drop voltage and blow fuses intermittently. If a 3 amp fuse blew, that indicates a low voltage short or wiring error drawing excessive current. Never substitute a 5 amp fuse to stop recurrent blowing, because a larger fuse allows higher current that can overheat traces, damage the circuit board, or ruin the transformer. Always replace with the identical 3 amp type specified on the control board. Use slow blow fuses where the manufacturer specifies time delay behavior, and ceramic body fuses for high inrush protection when required. Match both amperage and fuse type. Before reapplying power, isolate the thermostat wires from the control board and measure continuity to detect shorts to ground or chafed insulation. Repair or replace any damaged wiring and use heat shrink tubing on splices. When testing, reconnect only one control circuit at a time and watch for fuse blow while monitoring current draw with a clamp meter. If current exceeds the fuse rating immediately, stop and troubleshoot wiring, not the fuse. Keep a small kit of common replacement fuses labeled by amperage and type and a wiring diagram for the equipment model so you can source the correct part and avoid field substitutions that risk equipment failure. Finally, document the fix, label the thermostat cable at both ends, and advise the homeowner about proper thermostat programming and surge protection to reduce future incidents. One of the biggest mistakes is using the wrong fuse size when replacing blown fuses, which shows up in search queries like thermostat fuse replacement, thermostat blows fuse, and blown 3 amp fuse. The fix is to always replace with the exact amperage and type, source replacements before starting work, and never upsize the rating. One of the next common issues is failing to isolate and identify the shorted circuit. Search terms include thermostat wiring short and transformer shorted. So methodically disconnect thermostat leads, test continuity, and inspect insulation to find and repair the fault before reinstalling a fuse. One of the other frequent errors is neglecting transformer load testing. People search transformer voltage drop and weak transformer symptoms. So measure open circuit and loaded secondary voltage, verify current draw with a clamp meter, and replace the transformer if it cannot maintain rated voltage under normal load. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner directory that links this troubleshooting topic to trusted local heating and cooling contractors who handle thermostat wiring, fuse replacement, and transformer issues. The site helps homeowners find vetted professionals and helps contractors get work by listing services, reviews, and contact details.